Good morning, students. Our next topic is gravitational field. This is the space around a material body whose mass is there and that occupy the volume. Clear? That is a material body. The space around the material body in which its gravitational force of attraction can be measured is called its gravitational field. मतलब ਕਿਸੇ ਵੀ ਮਟੀਰੀਅਲ ਬੋਡੀ ਦੇ ਅਰਾਊਂਡ ਉਹ ਸਪੇਸ ਜਿੱਥੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਇਹਦੇ ਗ੍ਰੈਵਿਟੇਸ਼ਨਲ ਫੋਰਸ ਆਫ ਅਟਰੈਕਸ਼ਨ ਆ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਅਸੀਂ ਮੈਜ਼ਰ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋਈਏ ਕੈਲਕੂਲੇਟ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋਈਏ that is called its gravitational field. Now what is gravitational potential energy? Now this is first of all definition. We know that potential energy and work are interchangeable. We have done in 4th unit work, power and energy, and earlier you have done in 9th class also that energy and work we can take them as the same. So now gravitational potential energy at any point means ਕਿਸੇ ਵੀ ਇੱਕ point ਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ ਜਿਹੜੀ gravitational potential energy ਹੈ that is defined as it is the amount of work done in bringing the body from infinity to that point. ਜਿਹੜੇ ਪੁਆਇੰਟ 'ਤੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਗੱਲ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ ਵੀ ਇਸ ਪੁਆਇੰਟ ਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ ਗ੍ਰੈਵਿਟੇਸ਼ਨਲ ਪੋਟੈਂਸ਼ੀਅਲ એનર્ਜੀ ਕਿੰਨੀ ਹੈ that is equal to the work done in bringing the any body from infinity. Infinity means very infinite distance. Clear? To that point against the gravitational force that is called the gravitational potential energy. Now first of all we will derive its relation, and first of all we will consider that earth is a uniform sphere of radius r and mass m. Now we want to find gravitational potential energy of the body of mass small m lying at a point p. We have taken this is earth, its radius is r, center o, and we want to find the gravitational potential energy of a body of mass small m lying at point p from infinity. Now if first of all we now take one point a that is from r distance from the center of the earth, and this point is that x distance from the center of the earth. Clear? Now first of all we know that gravitational force will be F is equal to gmm by x square, because this body whose mass is small m that is placed at point p. Now the amount of work done, the small amount, first of all when this body will be bring from infinity to any point, let it be p, then in between that it will be go to q, let this distance is dx. So small amount of work done in moving the body from distance p q, this distance that is dw, because we are talking about small work done, so that this will be dw is equal to f dx. Already we know that work is equal to force into distance. Now here force will be gravitational force gmm by x square into dx. So total amount of work done that we want to bring this body at point A. So total amount of work done in bringing the body from infinity to r. R means up to this distance at point A. So total W will be equal to integration of infinity to r gmm by x square into dx of this. Clear? Now this g is constant, capital M is constant, small m is also constant, so only integration will be of 1 by x square. First of all we will take this as a numerator term, that x raised to power minus 2. Then we will integrate this term. The rule of integration is the power plus 1 divided by the power plus 1, means minus 2 plus 1 from infinity to r. Now this minus 2 plus 1 will be minus, so negative sign will be there. It means w is equal to minus gmm by into 1 by x from infinity to r, and we will put the limits from first of all upper limit in this x 1 by r minus 1 by infinity. This 1 by infinity will be 0. So this work done will be minus gmm by r, means this is the potential energy. Clear? This is the gravitational potential energy. Now gravitational potential. The gravitational potential at a point. The gravitation field of earth is at a point due to gravitation field, we can say that. due to gravitational field of earth is defined as amount of work done in bringing a body of unit mass. Now first of all we have taken the body of mass m. Now here the body will be mass, unit mass means m, small m will be equal to 1 from infinity to that point. Ohi point same. So we can say that u gravitation is equal to minus gm by r because small m is equal to 1. Clear? Now next is escape velocity. The minimum velocity with which a body must be projected up so as to enable it to just overcome the gravitational pull is known as escape velocity. Escape means बहुत दूर चल जाना, escape हो जाना, दिखना ना, खत्म हो जाना, we can say that. Clear? Escape velocity means घट तो घट ਉਹ किन्नी velocity है ਜਿਹੜੀ velocity ਨਾਲ ਅਸੀਂ ਕਿਸੇ body ਨੂੰ projected up ਉੱਪਰ ਵੱਲ ਨੂੰ ਸੁੱਟੀਏ so that ਉਹ gravitational pull ਨੂੰ overcome ਕਰ ਲੇ and ਕਦੇ ਵੀ ਵਾਪਸ ਨਾ ਆਵੇ. That is called the escape velocity. Now we will find its relation. Now first of all we will consider that earth is a sphere of mass m and radius r. Let A be the body. This is the diagram. Earth is a sphere of radius r, m mass, and A is the body of mass small m at point P at a distance x from the center of earth. From this distance, from center of earth. Work done. First of all, we will find the work done in moving the body through a small distance dx. Similar in last case we have done that dw will be equal to f dx. Now force will be gmm by x square because gravitational force ਦੀ ਗੱਲ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ ਅਸੀਂ. The total work done to move the body from surface of earth to infinity. Now here ਅਸੀਂ ਕੀ ਕਰਨਾ, body ਨੂੰ surface of earth ਤੋਂ infinity ਵੱਲ ਨੂੰ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਜਾਣਾ because we want to escape this body from the surface of earth. So it will be from from r, from surface of earth to infinity. So gmm by x square into dx. Similarly same, these terms are constant, so we will take outside the integration, then x raised to power minus 2. Now we will integrate this x raised to power minus 2. Integration of this term will be x raised to power minus 2 plus 1 minus 2 plus 1. So this will be minus 1 by x from r to infinity. First of all we will put upper limit, minus sign comes outside, so w will be equal to 1 by infinity minus 1 by r. Now this 1 by infinity will be 0, this term become 0, so minus and minus will be plus, w will be equal to gmm by r. So this is the required work done that is stored as a potential energy. That work done will be stored as potential energy. So now if E means escape velocity is the required escape velocity, then kinetic energy will be half mv square. ਹੁਣ ਜਦੋਂ ਅਸੀਂ ਕਿਸੇ body ਨੂੰ escape ਕਰਾਂਗੇ that body must have some kinetic energy and we know that kinetic energy is equal to potential energy is equal to work done. So this is work done stored as a potential energy. So this is kinetic energy, half mv square is equal to gmm by r. This m and m goes, only v square is equal to this 2 goes toward right hand side, 2gm by r. This is the escape velocity and this ve will be 2gm by r under root. Now if we will put the value of this capital G in terms of small g, that g is equal to gm by r square, so gm will be equal to small g into r square. We will put the value, so this term will become 2gr. Now if we put the values g 9.8, r 16, 6400, so this velocity comes out to be 11.2 kilometer per second. Means अगर ਅਸੀਂ ਕਿਸੇ body ਨੂੰ 11.2 kilometer per second ਦੀ speed ਦੇ ਨਾਲ projected up करिए, then it will escape and will never come. Clear? So now using the equation number this, v is equal to 2gm by r under root, this is equation number 1. We know that rho is equal to mass upon volume. So mass is equal to rho into volume, and volume of earth will be 4 by 3 pi r cube into this rho. Clear? So we will put the value here. 2g in terms of m, we will put the value this 4 by 3 pi r cube into rho. So this velocity, now here we will take this 4 outside, that will be 2. This r cube, 1 and r goes, and r square will be left, so r will be outside the this under root. So 2g pi rho divided by 3. This is the